welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Haylou GT5. Now basically these are some budget wireless earbuds. Now let me just open it real quick. Here on the right side we see the functions. We have wireless 5.0, automatic on and off, ultra low latency, wireless charging, and AAC. Now it's cool that these earbuds come with wireless charging. Inside of the box we have the earbuds itself, we have the user guide, the usual paperwork, we have a cable here which is type C on one side and type A on the other. Included we have different size ear tips, I believe. Yeah. And as we can see here we have Haylou branding on the top. This is a very nice box. First thing, when we unbox these earbuds, we see this layer of protection here. We need to remove it in order for earphones to make contact with the box. Means that these are connected with a case and they are charging. A size comparison, we are going to compare them with the case of AirPods. Now this one has wireless charging capabilities. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover now because my microphone died, but basically now that I've connected the phone with the earbuds, I will put to the test how it will sound like on YouTube and how it will sound like on a voice call. Okay, now that I've listened some songs here on YouTube, I have to say that these earbuds are not very rich at bass, but they have some kind of noise cancellation and you can hear the song clearly. Now let's try to call someone and see how that goes. The call was very good, the microphone is very good, the other person can clearly hear me even though I'm not talking loud, and I believe that we have ourselves a winner here, considering this case has also wireless charging and it has a Type-C port here on the back, because most of the phones these days, I would say all of the phones, but there are some Samsungs who still use micro USB cable, but most of the phones these days use Type-C charging port, and we can charge this case with charger of our phone. The final thought, these earbuds are Go, and I would recommend you get these ones if you're looking for a budget set of earbuds that supports wireless charging and has Type-C port here. This was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.